Good evening, everybody. Let's do a quick unboxing. I bought Emotiva Control Freak, and also I bought speaker cables that Emotiva sells, the XSS models, I believe. They don't make. I bought the 1 meter ones. They don't make the 2 meter cables for some reason anymore. I don't know why. I called and I was told that they just don't order them anymore. Anyhow, so this is how the cables look like. This is the better be a speaker cable. Looks like a RCA cable, and this is the Control Freak. Okay, so let's take a look at the cables. They are of good quality for the money. If you really think about it, $50 for a cable of this caliber is a good deal. That's why I kind of wish they had the 2 meter version. As you can see, the thickness and the quality of the plugs is pretty much outstanding. Very good quality cable. Unfortunately, it's kind of short, but it will work for me. I'll make it work. So that's the cable. Obviously, the other one is the same speaker cable. This is the Control Freak that Emotiva sells. You would use that to, if you don't have a preamplifier, you just want to connect your source directly to your amplifier. You would use something like this. This is the version with unbalanced version. So the way this works, I'll show you right now. Alright, so the way this works, you take this, it's quite nice and heavy, well built. If you spin this, it's actually you feel the weight on it and the quality of it. So anyhow, you take this, obviously you have in and out, and you would take this and I would go wait a minute. Well, one end would go into your receiver, so this end would go to your receiver, and this end would connect to your source device, and then you would control the volume with this. Very simple. So that's Emotiva Control Freak RCA version, not the balanced version. There are 2 versions of it. This sells for $50, and the cables were $50 a piece. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you next time.